How to fix Google Chrome not saving passwords on Windows 10. Here are some possible solutions that may help you fix Google Chrome not saving passwords on Windows 10. Solution 1. Temporarily turn off Google Sync, then log out and back into your Google account. Solution 2. Allow Chrome to save password. Solution 3. Allow Chrome to maintain local data. Toggle switch for clear cookies and site data when you quit Chrome. Solution 4. Existing cache and cookies in your Chrome browser. Solution 5. Your Chrome app to the latest version. Solution 6. Disable or uninstall suspicious third-party extensions. Solution 7. Unwanted program / clean up computer using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in Windows Safe Mode. Solution 8. Set up Create a new Chrome profile. Solution 9. Restore to default settings. Solution 10. Current Chrome, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in Windows Safe Mode, then, reinstall the app with the latest official download. Solution 11. Try a third Password Manager, such as NordPass in this vid. FYI, soon, you'll forget all about password reminders and sticky notes. Now, download the NordPass apps for your devices to access your passwords from anywhere, at any time. You may also consider upgrading to NordPass Premium and enjoy password syncing across all your devices as well as safe password sharing with those you trust.